Hey, so welcome to the second episode of my Minecraft Bukkit / spigot plugin tutorials. So, as you can see by the time, it's almost midnight, so I'm going to have to keep my voice down just a little bit. But I'm going to show you how to create a command. So this will just be a basic command that sends you a message. So, you're going to want to click on your package, which we created previously, go to New and Class, just like you did for the main class. Now, like we did with Extends Java plugin, we're going to put implement command executor, and then hold Control Shift and press O again. You can only do that if you're in Eclipse, by the way. I don't know if other things have shortcuts for that or what you'd have to do. And then hover over command or whatever your class name is and add unimplemented methods. So now it'll create this for you. So where it says command sender, change this to sender. Change this to CMD or command, whatever you want really. I don't honestly know what this does, I just put it as string, and then you're going to put args. So now you're going to want to remove this. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to give them a message based on whether they have a permission or not. So the first thing I'm going to do is, well, there's three options. So there'll be console, there'll be has permission and doesn't have permission. So the first thing I'm going to do is if sender instance of player. So basically, if the person running the command is a player, this will be ran. If it's the console, this will be ran. And I'm going to hold Control Shift and press O to import player. So we'll do the console part first because that's the easiest. So we'll literally just do sender.send message, and then you're a console sender. So now within the player part, we're going to do if sender.hasPermission, and we will just do YouTube.example. So if they have the permission, that will be ran, and if they don't, this will be ran. And I'm going to do send message. You don't have permission. And within this, I'm going to do sender.send message. You have permission. So that's the code for a command done. Now you're going to want to go to your main class where you have your onEnable, and you are going to want to do get command, and then inside that put quotes and put the command name. So I will just put the command as YouTube, then go back to the end of it and put .setExecutor new, and then the class name of your command, and then brackets at the end of that. And then you might have to import it, but since I have it in the same package, I won't need to import. And then you go to your plugin.yml file here, and then below this add commands. Now something important, you cannot use the tab button. You have to press space twice. And then put the command name. So this is the same thing that you put here. And then there's a few options here, but I'm only going to go through two of them. So aliases, and then you put the square brackets, and then within those you can put any aliases. So I'm going to put YT and YouTube, just so that you can see an example with two aliases. And then you're going to put description, and then you're going to put a basic command, or obviously whatever your description is. So then you're going to save that, go to your Eclipse, and you have a command now. So you're going to want to export your plugin just like we did before, and it will give you an error. That's because you have just saved your plugin.yml folder. Just click OK and click finish. Now you're going to want to add it to your server, so I will see you on the server.